Get ready because Samsung is gearing up for a major shift. The Galaxy S24 series might mark the end of an era for the current Galaxy smartphone flagship design. Smartphone design has reached a point where major changes have been rare since the days of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. In the past, Samsung used to experiment with design changes each year, but things have somewhat settled. However, this is about to change. According to the latest news, Samsung is planning a complete overhaul of the flagship Galaxy S design in 2025 with the Galaxy S25 series. Hubert A. Lee, a former designer at Mercedes-Benz, has reportedly been tasked with reimagining the design of Galaxy S phones, starting with the Galaxy S25 series. While the Galaxy S24 series has an appealing design, a refresh in 2025 could bring exciting changes. If you're currently using the S23 Ultra, waiting for the S24 Ultra, with a significant design overhaul might be worthwhile if these rumors turn out to be true. This could potentially make the Galaxy S24 series the last of its kind in terms of design. Additionally, recent certifications suggest that the Exynos 2400 chip will make its way to the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in various markets outside of the US and China. Samsung has put in significant effort to enhance the Exynos 2400, although it may not yet match the performance level of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Looking ahead to 2025 and the Galaxy S25 series, Qualcomm is expected to bring its latest generation of chips. Rumors indicate that Qualcomm will collaborate with TSMC, a leader in chip manufacturing, for the production of the Snapdragon 4 chip. It's also suggested that the Snapdragon 4 will feature custom Oryon CPU cores, potentially rivaling the performance of Apple's M2 series. Lastly, Samsung's digital assistant, Sam, now has an official music video, Flip Your Way, prominently featuring the Galaxy Z Flip 5. With Samsung increasingly using Sam for marketing, we might see her association with the S24 series in the future. Share your thoughts on these developments in the comments, particularly upcoming design changes for Samsung's flagship phones in 2025. Stay tuned for more updates.